using the new panel, because all the commands has been changed, all the placing of the commands has been changed, and I am making this video for them who can see all the features, where are they, how to adjust the plans, and how to operate to with the clients. All the things we are going to cover in this video. So let's start the video. First of all the things in this video is about the admin panel, not the client side of the video, but the admin side of the video. In this video, if you want to see the client side of the video, I have linked a video in the description. You can go on and see the video, which shows a short video about the client side of the new update of WhatsAppads.com. In this video, first of all, the things which you need to know first is about the tools, file manager, account manager, and WhatsApp and dashboards, which I have explained in the previous video, which I have given in the description box below. You can go and check that videos. The first thing which I want to tell you is about the proxy settings, which we have integrated with the WhatsApp ads. You can set an n number of proxies into your white label software, where the messages will go from different IPs, so the numbers blocking or number banning system would be minimized with the proxy settings. The blogs, if you want to make the blogs, which is a good thing where you can generate new leads from Google or any search engine, or any different platforms like Pinterest, Quora, etc. So the blog section is very easy. You can go here and create a blog according to you, but I don't want to go into the detail about the blogs and the FAQ. You can go and see it very easily, and you can create it very easily. I am focusing this on the client admin end of the panel, where the clients are facing issues because of the change in the interface. The first major thing which we need to understand is the management system, membership system, where we can create plans which we can give to our clients. So first click on the plans, where I have created 4 to 5 plans where I sell these plans to my clients. And if you want to make a new plan, you can create on add new, and you can see all the features of how a plan is to be added. See, first of all, you need to make the status enable to be used for the clients, can be used, or you can assign these plans to the users. You should name the plan first, whatever name you want to give. I am giving a test name for it. You can add a description. What is this plan about? You can say that we can link 100 WhatsApp accounts on this WhatsApp accounts. You can keep the monthly and annual fees, where you will charge this kind of fees to your clients for this number of accounts. Okay, the position of the plan, where you have 4 to 5 plans, you need to position this plan where you want this to be. If you want this to be at the second number then you will have to set it 2, where the first plan would be one of this, which would be, I have positioned it at number 1, and this would be the second position plan. You can arrange all this plan according to your position, whichever you like. Here is the here is how much numbers you want to how much WhatsApp accounts they should connect to your plan. If they take this test plan, how much WhatsApp accounts they can connect, you can write that number here. See, I have given 5 accounts, then the client can add 5 WhatsApp accounts and use them for WhatsApp marketing. The next and the most important is the permissions. What are all permissions you want to give to your client? Do you want them to access the dashboard? Yes, obviously. In WhatsApp, what else you want to give? I think so you should give all these features according to you, what all features they can use and access to their plans according the plan. You can give the minimum auto respond time for the every auto respond to be executed. How much chatbots he can create. There is a limitations of chatbot in each of the panel, that limit for chatbots on each account. How much accounts you want to limit them, so how much chatbots they can create, you can give the limitations for that. I don't think so we should give any limitations for chatbot. This panel is mostly used as a chatbot for many of the clients, so you should give the maximum of it, so that the client can generate maximum leads, which is very helpful for you. Schedule by timing, you have a option of schedule by timing. The maximum number of bulk messaging campaign can run at a time. How much campaigns can the client run at a time from a single number? You can number them, you can give a time or schedule, so that you can manage your server, you can manage your resources accordingly. See, we can see you can give 10, 20 or 1, 2, 3, 4 as you want, so that at a time a client can run multiple campaigns at a time. You can set that. The maximum number of account group, how much the client can upload the contacts in a single group, that you can give here. Sorry, how much groups can he create? You can give how much groups can he create. I gave 100 groups, then he can create 100 groups of different number of accounts. See, the maximum number of numbers that can be added. How much number can be added in a single group? You can give according to you. I have given 10,000, so that in a single group the client can add up to 10,000 clients or 10,000 contacts. What is the monthly limit for your account that you can give here, so that the client can send I have set here 1 lakh messages, so that for a month he can send up to 1 lakh messages. This all rights is with you. You can choose accordingly as you wish. You can give it according to your wish. Okay, the WhatsApp section, the most important section, has been completed. Rest all you have to tick all the things, because he need to have an account manager where he can remove a WhatsApp account and add a new one. So we have to give access to all these sections, where he can access to all the things. Now this is the maximum size of the account, where he can upload maximum video size, where I usually give 10 MB of size, so that a single file will be of 10 MB. He could not upload a file bigger than 10 MB, because the resources is used more, and the number banning is also increased because of how large is the size of the file. And this is the total size which the client can access. I give usually I give 100 MB of space, so that he can save the images or videos up to 100 MB on our panel. Then the next thing is about the tools. What tools you want to give him the access? You can give him the access of group manager, caption keeping, all this you can give. It's a good thing. You don't ever need to give the access to your proxies. This proxy is with the admin, so he can adjust the proxies, he can add the proxies according to him to his clients. Short link is the new option which is given in this new update, where you can make a short links of the larger links which we take from the Google Drive or some another resources. We can make a short link, and you want to give the access to the short links, then you can click and enable it to your clients, so that the clients can also access the short links. And this is the new feature in this new update, where you can use OpenAI as a service to your clients, which has you can make a paid plan of the OpenAI, so that any of the clients can use them according to your his needs. Okay, but this is for a limited time. That OpenAI is free for a limited time, so this I don't think so you should give access before you know it. You need a limited tokens. So how much clients can be connected through OpenAI, how much tokens should he use, you can give according to his 1, 2, 10, 50 according to you what resources you have on the open AI platform. You need to configure it before using it. Okay, so I don't want this to give to my clients, so that they would not complicate the things and I don't need to pay extra amount for this. Okay, that's all for the plan making. You can make it easily, this all the things which I told you. You can give access to all the things, and you can see this account where I have created a test plan over here. The next thing is the users, where you can manage your users. You can add new users. It's very easy in this. You just have to click on the new option, where you can add a new user, and as a admin or as a user, you can give a access rights. You can create a group role, which I would tell you in the future videos. What is it? Here is the username. What username you want to give to the user, so that he can access the panel by login by this username. It has a restriction of minimum 6 characters, so that the username should have minimum 6 characters. The name of the user, the email ID, and the password, and the plan which you want to give him, and the expiry date of the plan, so that the at the date of the expiry, the plan should be expired and he should renew his plan. And the most important is the time zone, in which time zone is your client, so that you can select the time zone and he can message, he can do campaign according to his time zone. This is very important, because many a times we do not select the time zone, and the main problem is that the student is campaigning and the messages are not going, because the time zone is different, and the messages goes on the time zone which you have selected here. Okay, and the next thing, you can see the list of users, a list of roles. You can create a roles, you can see the roles, what you have made, the roles you have made, all the things which we made in the plans. You can make a role, and you can assign any of the role to the user which we have created. All the things same as that of the membership plans which we created. Okay, you can see the user report, how many users are connected, how many users are using the panel, and all the things you can see it here. You can see everything here. Okay, by just 2 days I have created 35 of users on this. Plugins are the other plugins which you want to use with this one. You can purchase them and add this to your account, so that you want to add some features in this. You can purchase this. They have a costing here, and you can purchase them also. See, here are some features which you want to know to enhance your home page of your website. So whatever the main website title you want to give, you can set it here. The website description, whenever the website is seen on the search engine, what description it should show, that you can see here. You can give the keywords, what keywords you want to give, so that the clients can search your website. You can give favicon. Favicon is the icon which is shown on the left side of your tab. So you can change it from here. You can change the logo mark, logo color, logo when the website is in white color and website is in dark color. You can change both the types of logos from here. Then there is the date format. You can set any type of date format according to your country, so that it would be you can see the plans according to your type. Here are some appearance features. What all features you want? The sidebar, which when I take my pointer to the menu is expanded, because I have kept an hover option. If I kept it open, then this menu would be always in the open stage, and if I keep it at the close, it would never show me the names of the options. You can just see the icons of all the things. See, I have kept the theme to full light. You can keep it side dark also, and as well as full dark also. You want the website to be completely in black shade, you can keep, and you can check, you can trial and error all these things. If you want to change the color, as you can see, all the colors here are in green color. so I can keep according to it. And the theme which in this new feature is, you can see that Stack Go is the theme which is used. In the files, you can configure the Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, so that you can give a storage option from your Google Drive or your OneDrive. You can give this access to your clients so that they can access their files not from your server VPS site, not from your hosting site, but from the Google Drive or OneDrive or Dropbox. Okay, you can manage that APIs from here. Payment configuration, here you can see the three types of payment configuration. The first is the, as usual, PayPal. Second is Stripe, and the new one they have added is the coin payment, where you can collect a cryptocurrency of any type. You can select that type, you can type and give the API of any of the websites which accepts cryptocurrency, and you can give the access to that website. You can go to the coinpayments.com website and you can register and you can use this cryptocurrency as a service. You can accept payment from it. OpenAI, you can go here and you can enable this, and you can set, you can what I'm saying, you can add your access key or token key here, so that you can give the your clients the access of OpenAI. Notification is the thing where you can configure your all the things where whenever the users create or log in on your page, what messages he should see, what messages he can see, that you can set it here. Backend pop-ups, where you can give a basic information, welcome to the website and all that things. You can give a that welcome message to your clients for the notification. For this, you need to have first register on this website and take the product ID, and you can keep it here. Email configuration, the email configuration is on the VPS side. You need to configure your VPS so that you can access your email templates. You can add your email contacts, welcome message, forget password message, all the things you can configure. And you have access to configure your email address also. You can search how on internet how you can configure email messages on the website. You will find many videos on that. Okay, these are the things which we see on the settings. Let's see what else we have on the website. Okay, what else? You have a login and authentication page where you can give a Google page access, so that the user can if you want them to access their account by activating on from their email ID, they can do it from there. You can send the email address, welcome email, whenever they register on your website. Do you want them to change their email ID whenever they required? They can do. You can give a reCAPTCHA so that the non-robo things, robo things should not happen. So that all things you can give a Facebook login access, so that whenever any client comes to your website, he don't needs to fill the form. He can just click on the Facebook option and he can create his own account by using his Facebook accounts. You have all these three options here. Short links, you need to configure your short links to give access to your clients, so that they can use the short link access directly from your panel. Social page is the server page, where you need to connect your website to your servers. You can see that all things here. You can connect your Facebook page, you can connect your Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, all the things. Proxy system is the same which I told you. You can add your APIs of the proxies, IPs of the proxies, where the client can restrict his number from getting banned by using a proxies. You have a cron job which you don't need to go here. There is a language option where you can change the languages of the websites. Whenever you require any other language than English, you can change it from here. Social network setting is the settings where you can you need to configure your server with it. so that the client, so that you can use the WhatsApp messaging system. You need to connect to your server. As I have connected my WhatsApp to my server, which is server.whatsappads.com, so that I can send messages and I can work. This is very important to use the WhatsApp service. You need to connect to the server so you can use all the things. Okay. And the last thing, you can set a live chat on your website. If you want any live chat, you can search the script on the internet about live chat. You can see a icon over here or this side, so that any client using your panel can instantly get live chat with you, and you can suggest him or guide him to how to use the panel and all the things. You can add that script in this area. Okay, and just you need to save them. That's all about the admin panel of the new interface. This very easy and very accessible, so that anyone can be easily use the panel and create users and send the plans to your users. That's it for this video. Please leave the comment in the comment on in the comment box what else you want to know about this, and please feel free to chat with me on my WhatsApp number, which I have given in the description box below, so that if you want to make the white label or the reselling panel you want, you can contact me for that. Thanks a lot for this video. Thank you.